What's going on, guys? Just a quick update video of what I'm doing right now. So if you guys didn't know, I do stream over at Twitch, and I am everything I make from, if any of you have seen my art station, which will be in the description below, anything from, I think it was the interior design scene to this one I'm working on now, I've streamed all the way through. Just to show you guys my processes and basically how I get things done. And this is a scene I wanted to make, and I wanted to basically get back into Blender. So I thought, what's a better way to do that than basically recreating some concept art? So far, we've got this done. I have it over in Maya at the moment, and we're basically UV mapping it all, which admittedly isn't the most fun to watch on stream. UV mapping isn't fun for anybody. But yeah, and I got this done so far. So if you guys do want to check out what I do and how I do it, you can go visit the stream, and I'm always willing to reply to anything people say. And if you even want to ask me stuff off stream, I even have a Discord. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy. I hope some of you may jump over, and have a good one, guys. Bye bye.